What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you look right behind me, you'll see the new giveaway car. And literally, we've just kind of looked at it a little bit. We haven't really dug in. Definitely haven't been underneath it. Pardon me, toothpick. So, today we're going to give a really good look over of this car. Just see everything that we're dealing with. Still have no plan. And I did do a poll on the premium subscriber page, what you guys kind of want to see. But there's a lot of very cool things about this car that we're about to get into. Unique things, and I'm excited. And that's what we're going to do today. Let's go. All right, boys. First time up and underneath it. I guess, what do you think? Start at the back? Let's see. Southern car. Right off the bat. Obviously no rust. No tails. Yeah, tires are done. Quads are on it. Lots of dirt daubers. Gotta love the dirt daubers.
More fans look great.
Let's see, we got flows. Straight off the, coming straight, oh look at there, aluminum drive shaft.
Where?
What? And it's literally touching the, no, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, so we got some flows. Let's see here, bushings are about what you'd expect. Original.
Yeah.
So we got no subframes. Looks like we got a little spot right there. Looks like it might have been a little damage right there. Oh, it's solid. Oh, it's just, never mind. Yeah, it's just surface rust. We do have an off-road H-pipe, thank the Lord, because you can't get them anymore. Good God, the leaks. Okay, so we'll get into this, guys. If you look right here, you'll notice it's an auto, but it's not an AOD. It is actually AC4, and it's reverse manual valve body, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. And it obviously been leaking. Now, here's the thing, guys. It looks like... Do we even know if this was original, was it originally an AOD car?
I believe so, yeah.
Not 100% sure, but probably. I'm trying to look at the floor up here. Yeah. It looks like it was original AOD car, but it's got a reverse manual valve body C4 and a pretty daggone good stall in it too. So, but obviously we got massive oil leaks. Looks like a new starter, or a recent starter.
Yeah, it's pretty old.
God bless. I think this was worse than Chris's car.
Probably.
Yeah, it's leaking pretty bad. We got headers. Looks like BBK headers. But overall, pretty well stocked stuff here. A small dent on the core support. Let's see. Yeah, she's leaking pretty good, boys.
Yeah, it just needs to get cleaned enough.
Yeah, lots of cleaning, which, you know, we're no stranger to that. Other than that, yeah, it's honest, you know, it's just, the core support's got a little dent right there, but overall, a lot better than most. Looks like we got an aluminum radiator, which
Yeah, it's got a mission motor radiator.
we'll drop her down here and take a look.
Bumper
I mean,
covers toast.
What it? Yeah.
Bumper covers toast.
Yeah, that's going to be one of the first things I order is a bumper cover.
Headlight.
Headlights. But, I mean, it's got a pretty nice brand new trans cooler. Yeah, so that is the underside. No rust, no damage as far as body stuff. So let's take a look under the hood. All right, so let's take a look here under the hood.
So we got the smog pump on.
See? Sure does.
With the belt on it.
And yeah, and the belt's on it. It's not bypassed. So I'm gonna guess probably the AOD died and they're like, I don't want to put another slush box in it. Let's put a C4 in it. And I mean, yeah. We are going to do a first driving video, guys, because it actually drives really good. But the rain is horrible today. Stock mass air looks like somebody just clamped a K&N on there. Probably looks like a underdrive crank pulley.
Yeah.
And you got to have the spiffy MSD wire retaining distributor. Air.
Got this?
Sure does. Got the coil cover. It's still got all the air, all the smog, power steerings, everything is all there. I mean, this is the way to find them. Let's see. Yeah, they took the silencer out, but we still got the bolts for the air box. But again, you can see there's VIN tag. Now this one, yeah, there it is. Looks like this one's been painted, but the VIN tag's still there. There's the hood VIN tag. And front bumper cover VIN tag. Man. It's all there. Not sure what this is here.
That's the purge valve.
Oh, okay.
Still got that on it. That's usually
Still has all the, yeah. Sure enough. And then, yeah, like Dover said, got the Mishimoto radiator on it. All there. All right, so let's take a look inside. This is obviously titanium gray, same color as my car. Overall, it's all really pretty much here. This seat is pretty well done, but it actually may be getting the seats out of my car because mine are in great shape and same color. The only difference is this one being a 91, it has the pull-out bolster. Mine's got the 92, 93 style seat that has nothing there, but the color will match. This is one thing, guys, like we were looking at this and I'm not happy about that, but Silver Sport Transmission may or may not have already stepped in and said, hey, okay, we'll talk about that later. But I mean, basic stuff, guys, like your little horn button, you know, hit up LMR. Obviously, gonna need some door panel love. Again, LMR. Put new poles. I'm probably do the little map pocket deletes, clean that up. I'm gonna have to do a windshield. Get a guy out here to do the windshield. But again, it's all there. Console's there. And I've actually just pulled that out of my car, so I'll put that in here.
Hatch stays open.
Does it really? No way.
Thanks to Boomer, huh?
Hatch struts are good. But again, you know, it's one of those where this car hasn't been beat, but it's also an old car. So it's like, this is the new Survivor. But there's your VIN tags. Yep, VIN tag up there. And you look right along here. She's solid. Oh, there's. Let's see here. Oh, that's just popping off. Yep, she's solid.
Well, they usually get more rust than that, huh?
Yeah. Mine actually, I get it right behind that Ford emblem. It's got rust on my hatch, and my car is a Southern car too. Back seat's still in it. I mean, it's still got all the sound deader and all this. This is right here. This is the molding for the door. It's missing. We got to get this painted. But this car is actually silver metallic frost, which is, you can kind of see right here. It's a very, very cool silver, and it's pretty freaking rare. You can see right there, and it's an early 91 also, but that's a YX color code. Pretty fairly rare color, especially being a two-tone. But yeah, guys, this is the Survivor now. You know, 10 years ago they were a little nicer, but you know, now this is the Survivor. And it does actually, we didn't even talk about it, it does have a cam in it. Yeah, it's got a little cam. Let's see here. But fire it up. Not bad, not bad. And the heat. It's blowing. We're not trying to stink up the shop today, but let's see here. Door pins. Yeah, it's gonna need door pins. But there it is, guys. All the ground effects are all there. Everything's good there. Obviously new headlights, bumper cover. We're not gonna go real crazy with this. This one's gonna be, we're gonna bring it back and go from there. Like I was telling you about the molding here. I have to get Nick to paint that probably, and probably order up some new quarter glasses from LMR, get those put in. Definitely, guys, drop me a comment below. What wheels and tires do we need to put on this car? Because I've got a few ideas, but I'm not 100% sure. Not for sure. All right, guys, so that is just, like, I just wanted to give you a preliminary. Like I said, we'll get it out and drive it when the weather's nicer. It's literally pouring right now. You can probably hear it. It's so freaking loud. But again, Project 48 was nuts because it was a shell. This one, it's running, it's driving, you know, so we can do some bring back stuff. You know, I am gonna take it down to the horsepower factory. We'll get a baseline dyno number on it, see how much power it's making. Not really sure on the mileage. Do you have any idea on the miles?
No, the cluster don't work.
Oh yeah, because it's got the C4 in it. But
the speedometer don't work. It has stuff on like 30 or 40 or something.
yeah.
It needs cluster.
So, you know, you can look at the engine though and tell it's probably got around 130, 140,000 miles, something like that. It's rock solid. It runs great. You know, we're gonna tune it up, fix all the leaks, do a lot of heavy cleaning on it, and I don't know, wheels, tires, lower it. I mean, put a full cat back on it. Who knows? So I want you know, you guys drop me a comment below. What do you think? And if you're a premium subscriber, you're already entered to win this car. If you want to be a premium subscriber, link is always in the description right below the video on YouTube or right above it on Facebook. And do a lot of cool stuff for the premium subscribers, and helps me and Dover do what we do here. So there you go, guys. That is a quick, just kind of a quick look. I mean, you can see, I mean, overall the car is solid. You know, it's a completely rust-free Southern car, and you know, just hasn't been abused and neglected and all that. It's just a, you know, it's just a 30-year-old car is what it is. But you know, for the car to have the smog, to still have the air, you know, all of that, that tells you right there that this car, you know, it just hadn't been passed around and dicked with its entire life, and that's the way to buy them. This is how you buy them right here. So very, very excited to dig into this. This is going to be another very, very cool project, and it's also another way to, you know, bring these cars back, to save these cars and keep them on the road for the next generation, and hopefully pass them on to an owner that's going to continue to take care of them and fix them up. That's the goal. All right, guys, so there you go. As you can see, very excited about this one. Gonna save another one, give another one away, and you know, we've got an opportunity to do some more small projects and stuff like that. So very excited about this one. Another one saved. Gotta love it. So if you enjoyed this video and you like cool Fox bodies just like we do, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and keep it tuned right here because it never ends.